What's up guys, it's Moss Hustles and welcome back. We're on a mission to unlock financial freedom, one side hustle at a time. So many people talk about these passive income streams, but can you actually make money from them? This week we're diving headfirst into the world of side hustles. I'm talking about grinding it out, testing 3 popular hustles for 7 days straight, and documenting every single win and loss along the way. No fluff, no BS, just the raw truth about what you can really achieve. Get ready to see some serious action, guys. We're talking late nights designing, writing, editing, and strategizing to make these hustles pop off. Will it be worth it? Stick around to find out. Let's do this. First up, we're diving into the world of print on demand. For this hustle, I'm using Canva, which is completely free, to design some super eye-catching t-shirt designs. I'm thinking bold graphics, funny quotes, the kind of stuff that makes you want to pull out your wallet. I'm uploading my designs onto Redbubble, a popular print-on-demand platform. Basically, Redbubble handles all the printing, shipping, and customer service while I just sit back and rake in the profits. Sounds pretty sweet, right? The key here is to create designs that are going to stand out from the crowd. There's a ton of competition on Redbubble, so you really gotta bring your A game. I spent a couple of days brainstorming ideas and coming up with some killer designs. Alright, so after a full week of having my Redbubble shop up and running, I'm ready to reveal the results. Drumroll please, I made 2 sales. Okay, I know it's not exactly a fortune, but hey, 2 sales is better than no sales, right? We're talking about completely passive income here. I literally designed these t-shirts once, uploaded them, and then forgot about them. And boom, money in the bank. The potential here is huge. Imagine if I had 100 designs up there, or even 1,000. The possibilities are endless. Okay, for our next side hustle experiment, we're taking our talents to Fiverr. I'm going to be offering a bio writing service. And the best part, I'm not even going to be doing the writing myself. That's right, I'm bringing in the big guns, ChatGPT. For those of you who haven't heard of it, ChatGPT is this crazy powerful AI tool that can write pretty much anything you ask it to. I'm talking blog posts, website copy, even Shakespearean sonnets. So I figured why not put it to the test and see if it can write some killer bios for my Fiverr clients. Setting up my Fiverr gig was super easy. I just created a catchy title, wrote a quick description of my service, and set my price. I decided to go with a starting price of $15 per bio. Not too shabby, right? Now the real test is going to be getting some orders. To give my gig a little boost, I shared it on a couple of social media platforms and told my friends to spread the word. Let's see if ChatGPT can really deliver the goods. Alright, it's been a little over 24 hours and you guys are not gonna believe this. I've already received 2 orders. That's right, 2 people are willing to pay me for bios written by an AI. I have to say, ChatGPT really impressed me with the quality of the bios. They were well written, engaging, and tailored to each client's specific requirements. I just had to make a few minor tweaks here and there, and boom, they were good to go. Both clients were super happy with the final results, and I even received a couple of 5-star reviews. Not bad for a day's work, right? I mean, we're talking about a side hustle that I literally managed from my couch. Chapter 3. Content repurposing, turning old content into cash. Alright, for our final side hustle, we're diving into the world of content repurposing. Basically, we're going to be taking existing content like blog posts, articles, or even social media updates and turning it into fresh, engaging videos. The beauty of content repurposing is that it allows you to reach a whole new audience with your content. And the best part is, it's way easier than it sounds, thanks to tools like Pictory. Pictory is an AI-powered video creation platform that can automatically turn your written content into stunning videos in minutes. I used Pictory to transform one of my most popular blog posts into a short, attention-grabbing YouTube video. Pictory made it super easy to add music, voiceovers, and even stock footage to make my video really pop. I uploaded my video to YouTube, optimized the title, description, and tags, and hit publish. Then I sat back and watched the views, and hopefully the ad revenue roll in. Okay, so after a week of my video being live on YouTube, I'm ready to share the results. I'm not gonna lie, it was a bit of a slow start. But then, out of nowhere, one of my videos started to gain some serious traction. We're talking about over 1,200 views in just a few days. I even earned a few bucks from ad revenue. Not bad for a video that I literally created in a few minutes using Pictory. Imagine if I had a whole library of content that I could repurpose into videos. The earning potential here is insane. The results are in. Did the side hustles pay off? So after 7 days of hustling, grinding, and pushing myself to the limit, what did I learn? All 3 of these side hustles have the potential to bring in some serious cash. Total around $45 for the week. Not huge, but all scalable and beginner-friendly. The key is to find something you enjoy doing, put in the work, and be patient. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence and dedication, anything is possible. That's it for me, but I want to hear from you guys. Want me to do a 30-day challenge next? Let me know below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.